Hey, check, hey, sound, check, hey, mic test. Check, hey, sound. Terima kay ano mga player ko sa mga kuan. Nagkamadul. Kung mga reklamo. Mga player, tandan. First one. Ano ba? Hindi ako. Ayan siya. Pray. Okay.
Yeah.
Wakay tibol. Tibol rin, nanligo pa. Ay, madahal siya plak. Oh, Marcus, are you ready to rumble? Ajis. Inilog ang white. Klaruhan ng masyal ko yun. Klaruhan na yung masyal. Tinood na. Kuha niya ha. Uwi ko todo.
Tabundaan. Ako dakal lang sa nigay. Ako may map. Oh, nakamdiri. Ay! Ha? Inyo ni kwaon? Bas kong nagtubig siya.
Oh my gosh. Kasi timer. Alam ka timer din eh. Dok, yung ka dok. Timer lang ka dok. Pakalan siya dok. Bangko dok.
Coach Kapigas? Blue?
Bangko sa. Gina, first five. Oh, napaday. What's up? Kamiot ang stats. Abot sa kayo na yung stats.
Mau, Gar, jalan.
Haidar ya Wawa, Haidar ya Wawa.
Mau.
Hello, Mike Tess. Pasalamat ka sa atong sponsor sa atong All-Star from California, USA. Mr. and Mrs. Miles and Nangoyen Dudman. Color love for the outfitter, official outfitter for All-Star. And last, DMD Studio. Balik nagduwa ang season 5 ugma ha. Nya atong officiating atong na impason. Ang officiating, impaso na. Bahala na ang mga team managers sa pag-impas sa ilang officiating.
Choy.
Hala, di lang ka paabot, no? Okay, larga. Are you ready to rumble? Ala, sakto na. Oh, napa ko no, napa. Wawa, napay Chris wa. Kina na? Ismi? Sige, larga na rin. Ano, sakto na. Para di kayo init ba? Okay, 300. Sige, larga. 300. Kanchoy, larga. Napay doswa. Gi. Lensoy for the first 2 points. Angon sa down. Oh, down lang Trace and Choi. Edgar, no. Rebound by Wawa, pass to Lensoy, drop stop, nope. Sa Mins, rebound by Jomar to Adong, no. Nice pass from Adong to Jeff. Wawa. To Gitalaga, to Lensoy, to Stanley, back to Wawa. 10 seconds to the shot clock. Stanley. It's a turnover, pick up by Edgar. Looking for his teammates. Pass to Adong to Jet on the right corner. No good. Rebound by Stanley. It's a turnover, pick up by Dandan to Jomar. More shooter. Wow. To Glenn, back to Wawa to Stanley on the left corner. It's a miss, rebound by Edgar. Crossover, Edgar again. Pass to Jet to Dandan. Thinking 3, nope. Shot clock 14. So ball on the New Edgar! Rebound by Adong to Jomar, double team. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Dandan on the parking lot, no good. Rebound by Eugene to Lensoy. Check by Jet to Glenn. Second the play. Back to Lensoy. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Stanley thinking 3. Drive, no good. Rebound by Dandan. Dandan coast to coast to Jet fake. Behind the back pass to Adong. To Jomar power move. No goal. Jomar again. Double team. Basket count and 1. First personal foul, number 9. Stanley Hapin. Bonus free throw for Jomar. Nice 3-point play for Jomar. Eugene Tabasa to send the play to Lensoy. It's a turnover. Dandan, reverse layup. Nice play for the blue team. Glenn Solis! Whoa, what a move for Glenn Castrades. He got the moving. That's Monet All-Star. Jomar double team fake. Oh, it's a miss. Oh, it's a shot. Yeah, for Jomar. Nice play. 2 in a row for Jomar. Eugene behind the back. Oh, he turned the legs. Gitalaga layup. Oh, it's a turnover. Pick up by. Wow, nice pick up by Eugene on the rainbow. No good. Rebound by Glenn. Glenn shoulder fake. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Sunny back to Glenn. Glenn jump. Yes. Wow. Nice play. Timeout. Official timeout brought to you by Crayon Lord, official outfitter of All-Star Season 5. Tables timeout na imusod. Alog ka sa inyong mga motor. Oh, human sa duwa, mo panglakaw ha, natay cater. Na dito dapit cater ko an. Itulukan, drink ulukan, ang maglakaw. Pwede ni Saab ha, huwag ko todo eh. Sige na kalimot mo. Na-live na namin. Ay. Shout out sa taga USA. Ilang viewers? 1K viewers. Dandan on the rainbow. 3! MVP Dandan Reyes. Francis. Pass to Sunny to the middle. Gitalaga to Glenn. Nice shot for Glenn Castrades from Gitalaga. Jet to Dandan again from the parking lot. No good. Wow, what a rebound for Eugene to Sunny to Castrades. Francis, straight back to Castrades. Nice shot for Glenn Castrades from Francis Sabanon. Nice pass. Nice defense for Gitalaga. First personal foul, number 11, Giovanni Gitalaga. 2 free throws for Dandan Reyes. Pwede sub. Huwag gutogon eh, pwede sub. Straight free throw for Dandan Reyes. Osara. Eugene Tasso. Giovanni! Nice move for Giovanni in the middle. Jet looking for his teammates. That's on the play to the middle. Jomar fakes, triple team, no good. Rebound by Giovanni to Eugene to Francis. Nice layup, nice play for the white team. All-Star. Oh. Dandan again. Jump step to Jet. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Nice pass on the reverse. Jomar power move. It's a miss. It's legal contact. Ang coach na to sa white, no other than Koya Prince-Soriano. Sa blue, Koya Matutulayo. Sa itong coach, Thomas Atubang. Sino may coach? Si Rogelio Tapayan o si Von Lazarita. Coaching staff sa blue team. Sorry, coach. Jomar, pass to the low post. Oh, it's troubling. Walay passport dan lakaw-lakaw. Eugene pass to Francis. Fake, Francis drive. Double team, nice defense for the blue team. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock. Doing the service. Taking off. Line ball. Kavya, the serve. Gilbert back to Chepjet to Jomar in the middle. Power move, no good. Rebound by Edgar Saholo. Jomar is the foul. Basket count and one. Ay, sorry. Mamaw na mong maglawas. Sub. Oh! Pakpak! Yes! From Cordoba, Jason Bacalso.
Il Tutio.
Oh, commercial. Jason Bacalso from Cordoba. Glenn with the service. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Line. Stepping on the line. After kick batang ko anda. Ay. Choi. Pitalyar. From the parking lot. It's a miss for Choi Pitalyar. Why warm up? Warm up. Lee. Diba? $14 seconds on the shot clock. Half shot available. 1 minute remaining time for the first quarter. Lee to Glenn Gastrodes. Glenn. Wow, what a move for Glenn. Glenn again. Pass off Jason to Stanley on the left corner. Nice pass from Jason to Stanley. Jomar, jump step. Wow, what a move. What a decent throw. Abot ko na yun. Glenn Castrodes, stop and jump. Nice 2 points for Glenn Castrodes. 20 seconds remaining. Gilbert Diolango, it's a miss. Nice monster rebound by Jason Bacalso. 10 seconds. Stanley again. It's a miss. Rebound by Gilbert. 2 seconds. Basket not counted. Atong score 2017 in favor of white team. So, time for the second quarter. So, na ito ang defensive player. no other than Ken Anyor. Together with Brian Oy for the first time. Brian Oy. Oh, natay trivia. Natay trivia. Ang makatubag sa trivia na i-premyo 500. Unsang tuiga ang last All-Star?
Unsa mo?
Complete date. Complete date. Nice pass. Nice layup for Jomar Crisologo. Up shot na labaw. Back to 1-point lead for Whitey. Ball kick ball. White, 2 timeout. Blue, 1 timeout. Rebound by Brian. Oh, nakasad. Gilbert, check by Brian. Pass to Dandan to Choi Pitaliar. Nice shot for Bonpilo. First personal foul, Ken Anyor. First team foul, White team. 2 free throws for Bonpilo. Anawa lang TV. 8 minutes, 15 seconds remaining. 2 good free throws for Bonpilo.
Bainte, 21.
Nagahog daw at sanay. Ken Anyor, what a spin! Nice defense for Jomar. Leon the Rainbow! Nice rebound for Brian. Brian picked up by James. No good. Jomar. Nice rebound. Igo. Taroy ay Igo. Oh, lami. Apakay Igo out. Brian from the parking lot. Hiko. Rebound again for Jomar. Nice defensive rebound. Pass. Reverse. It's a turnover, picked up by Lee. Oh, nice defense for Dandan. Laid up. No good. Nice rebound for Lee to Brian. Oh, whoa, nice move for Brian. First 2 points for Brian in the All-Star. Choi, shoulder fake, crossover. Jump step. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Choi, pass to Jomar. Pow! Basket count and 1. Eagle timeout. Taga-shout foul content man. Shout out to the 1K viewers. Nagawa na 1K. Labaw ng blue. Labaw 3 points. Second personal foul, Ken Anyor. Bonus free throw for Jomar Crisologo. It's a miss for Crisologo. Lee, back to James on the rainbow. It's a miss. Ayaw ata sa kanya tayo duwa ugma. Sorry, second na play. Wow, what a move! Jomar power move pass to Bonpilo. Nice pass. sobrang tilaw. Oh, Dilito shot. Foul before the shot. Nice shot. Nice pass. 2 points for Adon. Oh. Lee 3! Nice shot for Gilbert Beolango from Choya Sitalyar. Lee calling the play, pass to Brian. Brian on the parking. It's a miss. Rebound by James. James back to Brian. Brian jump. No good. Rebound by Gilbert Beolango. Pass to Choi. Move. Pass to Beolango on the right corner. Double team, triple team. Beolango. Nice hit by don't allow pass to Lee. Oh. Nice distance for German to solve. Foul check. Edgar. Foul. Yang sabi, kuni dua. Glenn Green! Nice sub. Hindi ta pagkasabit, i-pause na yun. Kuya Noel, pass to Adong to Edgar. Jump, it's a miss. Rebound by Glenn. Nice stop from Stanley. Glenn Aristotle lays up, nice pass. Oi! Glenn again, one shot for Glenn, 2 in a row for Glenn Aristotle. Choi to Edgar. Edgar looking for his teammates to Adong in the middle. 2 points for Adong from Edgar. Lee calling for the play. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Glenn. Glenn stop and jump. Back to Stanley on the rainbow 3. Si Alex. Gilbert fake jump. What a move for Gilbert Beolango. So timeout, official table timeout. Gaya sulod. This timeout brought to you by Crayon Law, DND Studio, Mr. and Mrs. Miles, Lorena Dudman from California. Big thanks to Mr. and Mrs. Miles and Lorena Dotman from California for the All-Star uniforms. Crayon Love, official outfitter sa All-Star. Oh. Natay cater ha, after sa duwa, dito na cater. Itong yukan. Nice defense for blue team. Pressure. Stanley. Francis. It's a miss for Francis. Choi in the rebound. Nice pass, but pick up by Eugene. Stanley a pin, Leza. Choi calling the play, fake. Pass to Pedro to Edgar, back to Choi to Gilbert Villolongo, nice pass. It's a turnover. Kay Wawa! Wow! Money on star! Oh, laban! Wow! Foul! Wow! Wow! Nice steal to Adong. Nice pass from Edgar to Adong. Ang solo ni Guales! Oh, nilindot-duwa. Ipakita ang mga Simba. Nice steal for Adong. Counter steal for Glenn Castrones. Glenn Castrones lays off! Glenn Castrones. Adong. Pass to Edgar. Edgar third drops. No good. Pass to Eugene. Eugene. Setting the play. Calling the play. Pass to Stanley on the corner. To Francis. Nobody around. Francis 3. Hello. Defense. Sa may defense na rin. Sorry, Pitonier, calling the play. Check by Ben, pass to Dandan. Dandan, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Adong to Noel, to back to Choi. Adong out, Jomar on the middle, double team, it's a miss. Nice defense for Kitalaga. Oh, nice pick up for, oh, no cool. Oh, basket count and one. Walay tawag, walay tawag. Okay na to. Eh, sabot siya mo. Ayun. Sabot to. Ayun, sabot siya.
Dol, komite.
Sabot mo, hadol mo doon. Ali table, lada play. Ali table. Nanay Cole, ang tawag sa referee, daliha, wala dungog. Kusga ang pito, Ken. Kusga ang pito. Basket not counted, nanay tawag. Di matawag, o di matungog. Kungaw ang pito, setting on the line. Kungaw ang pito. Pasensya na. Ilisan na nagmahalaw ng pito. Katutag si Kumil. Glenn Castrones on the jump. What a move for Glenn. Pang-usar kay ginawa amin. Nice play for Glenn. Dandan on the move. Dandan jump. Using the glass. 2 points for Dandan. 1-2 ang dipisa. To Giovanni on the middle. It's a miss. Giovanni miss. Pick up by Jomar. 20 seconds or 29 seconds. Dandan. It's a turnover. Eugene to Francis. Nice pass. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Adong. Pass to Kuya Noel on the right corner. Kuya Noel. It's a turnover again to Glenn. Glenn Castrones. Oy, kumpiyansa. Pang-usag yung kagiho. Kumpiyansa. 5 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Ayaw, napusok. Time for the third quarter. It's It's the final countdown. Post guard, Pito. Ano yung nagod mo, Rep? Ano mo, Rep? Ken, ano Ken? Ayo.
Naka-video po sa game.
Last quarter, the final. Oh, third pa rin. Third quarter. Third. Bugla niya, bali. Ito yung pagbali niya. Sorry people. Eugene calling for the play for Eugene on the left corner. Francis 3. Jet from the parking. No good miss. Rebound by Jomar again. The power. Tres. Rebound by Adong to Dandan Reyes, reverse layup. What a move for the MVP Sugbo 2024. Long to na to. Long two. Isa kaduman lagi. Low. Oy, for shot. It's ayaw ulitan mo. Okay, mubuto ka. Nice. Pass. Again, it's a steal for Dandan on the parking. No good. Rebound by Edgar to Jet. Murag gikaon ang maybe po nito say. One shot, 1 point na lang. Bana. Gikaon ang labaw. Half shot na lang. Ang nakuha na oras, 1 minute, 15 seconds. Back to 1 point lead for white team. Volleyball game. Eugene pass to. It's a miss. Rebound by Adong para labaw. Dandan Reyes on the move. It's a window. Pick up by Stanley to Giovanni. You're set. Nice defense for Jomar. The power of power. Jet pass to nobody. Ali, nice defense for the power of power. Pass to Jet. 2-1. Down Reyes, loud pass, no good. Nice defense for Francis. Nice defense for Eugene to Glenn fake. Oh, nice defense. Oh, it's a foul. First personal foul, number 12, Jomar Kisolgo. First team foul, blue team. Duta, dua isabak ba? Eugene calling for the play, looking for his teammates. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Francis, no good. Short again for Francis. Nice rebound for Jomar. Pass to Jacket. Jacket looking for finish. Fake. Jump. It's a miss. Rebound by Edgar. Oh, it's a foul. Second personal foul, Giovanni Gitalaga. First team foul, White team. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Jomar, pass to Adong on the low post to Dan Reyes. No good, rebound by Jomar. Jomar back to Dan Reyes. Drive and stop to back again. Jomar! Power move by Jomar. Yo, boy. Jomar, the power of power. Glenn from the parking three. Glenn Castrones from Ed Lechon. Chef. Back to Dan Reyes on the rainbow. It's an air ball to Glenn again. Nice Glenn. Lays up. Whoa! Hina-hina lang. Kaya napatay duwa, ugwa. May gani, batanon pa. Batanon pa na.
Ayaw lang, may isang lang. Dan! Ayaw lang, tapos mag-discuss yan.
Clean basketball to. Challenge pa to, challenge. Pero, nahinga lang, kaya napatay dagang duwa. May gay, batanon pa. Di pa ito batanon na. Baching ko pa edad. Split free throw for Glenn Castrones. On the middle, Adong. Back to Edgar, back to Jet, fake drive. To Adong again, to Dan Reyes on the left corner. No goal. Rebound by Stanley. Stanley to Eugene, to Glenn. Lechon connection! Goyawa. Lechon na rin. 8 assists for Eugene Tabasa. While puntos. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Almost a turnover. Edgar Oy, nabitawan up. Basket count again. Egon Jomar, puro mag-basket count. Third personal foul, Giovanni Gitalaga, Sabrek. Indutas dua. Wala. Sanet. Edgar, check by Eugene, back to Choi, Chong. Igawa sa bola, Edgar. Traveling.
Go.
Sub. Eugene Tabasa, one on the play, pass to Brian, back to Eugene. Pass to, nice pass. So Stanley, 13 seconds of the shot clock. So Stanley, no good. Rebound by Jomar, pass to Jet. Looking for finish. Nobody's around for Jet. Half shot to Labao. Back to 1-point lead for White. Eugene. Calling the play to Stanley. Stanley to Brian on the rainbow. It's a miss. Rebound by Edgar. Pass to Jet. Check by Brian. Back to Edgar. Lazen. Labao na ang blue. Francis to Brian, back to Francis. Screen by Jason Francis. Drive. Oh, uy! Unsa man to? Rebound man. Hindi mo nakutang mula. Adong. Back to Jet. Jet. Back to. Nice shot for Choi from Jet. Labaw na tulo ang blue team. Oy, turnover again for the white team. Sabit. Sabit. Labaw na ang blue team of 3 points. Two minutes, 30 seconds remaining for third quarter. Adong. Back to Jazz. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Catch that. Back to Choi. Choi on the middle. No good. Nice Francis. Francis. It's a foul. Sabret. First personal foul. Jet Dakoyan. 2 minutes, 11 seconds remaining. Stanley on the move. Jump pass to Brian. Nice layup for Brian from Stanley. Happy. Up shot. Back to 1 point lead in favor of blue team. Choi. From the parking. It's an air ball. Nice shot from Adong. Reverse layup. Consider assist from Choi. Back to 3-point lead for blue team. Brian on the nice pass. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. What a shot. 15 seconds of shot clock. Gilbert on the middle pass, so it's a foul. Sabret. Second personal foul, Eugene Tabasa. 2 free throws for Bacala. Sabret. Cananera in. Out, Stanley Hapin. 2 free throws for Bacala. It's a mosquito for Bacalao from the main water filling team. A free throw. It's a split free throw for Bacalao. Lee Francis coming back for Yuji Tabasa. Brian, the left, it's a miss. Rebound by Gilbert Villalongo. Pass to Choi. John Moore on the parking. Oy! Break. Lee, nice pass to Brian. Outside to Cananera. Oh, wow, that's spin for. Oh, what a shot for Ken. Hinambit Hinambit, pinatuyo. Oy, isa man to. What a pass. What a spin. Yeah, hinambit. 30 seconds, 35 seconds. Lee, nice drive. It's a miss. Rebound by Jomar to Choi. 20 seconds. Labaw ng unong. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. Ken Aliora. Time for the third quarter. We are now the final quarter. Oh, napay blue. Warning, coaching staff sa blue team. Warning mo niya. Saba mo niya. Edgar sa hole to Koyan Will on the left corner. It's a miss. Rebound by Glenn. Nice rebound by Glenn. Nice back out to Lee Francis. Lee Francis. It's a miss. Rebound by Ken. Take. Triple team. Pass to Stanley. Almost a steal to Eugene. Back to Stanley. Nice shot for Stanley. Back to 2-point lead for blue team. Ayay, niyaw-yawan ang saka ng shoulder. Choi calling for the play. So, Jomar, it's a foul. Foul. Why magbuot sa natiri? Kasi foul din. First personal foul, Lee Francis Tapanaw. First team foul, White. 14 seconds of the shot clock for blue team. That's the hole, laying down, pass to almost a steal. It's a steal for Lee Francis. Oy, sa pasaha, oy. Oh, gikasapan pa. Duha, time out. Tulo. Jomar on the middle, triple team, quadruple team. It's a miss. Rebound by Lee Francis Sabanaw. So Glenn Castrodis, Glenn crossover by hand the back on the 3 points. Back to Ken Anyora to Glenn. Glenn in the middle. Fade away shot. It's a foul. First personal foul, Choi Pitalier. First team foul. Blue team, 2 free throws for Glenn Castrodis. Glenn Castrodis from the Ed Lechon team. It's a split free throw for Glenn Castrodis. Atong score, 1-point lead in favor of blue team. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Don Reyes looking for his teammates. Don Reyes on the drive. Don Reyes! It's a no! The power of tower again! No! It's a foul! Second personal foul. Suddenly Hapin. 2 free throws for Jomar Crisologo. Jomar Crisologo. The power of tower of your 15. Nice free throw for Jomar, last free throw. Two good free throws for Jomar Crisologo. Basic free throw to Jomar Crisologo. Eugene Tabasa, pass to Anyora to Glenn Castrodis. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Lee Francis on the left corner. No good. Nagsiklat ni Lee Francis. Ayay, Koyan Will. Hapit na lintan. Hapit na shot. Nice defense for the white team. Ken Anyora to Stanley Hapin. Check by Edgar. Back to Lee Francis. Oloy. Wala na shot tayo. Don Reyes. Whoa, what a stop for Ken Anyora. Glenn Castrodis. Daray. Ano yung on? Oy. Wow. Otro sa. Oh, it's a foul. Nanay tawag. Di na malalis. Third personal foul, Eugene Tabasa. Second team foul, White. Our 3 team foul, White. 20 seconds to shoot. Choi taking 3 to Dan Reyes to Edgar on the left corner. Edgar sa hole from the White House. CITU. Labaw og 5. Glenn Castrones, check by Jeffers. Screen from same ball. Shot clock 8. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Glenn on the rainbow! It's a miss. Nice rebound for Edgar Saho. Ayay, Labaw. 6 minutes, 50 seconds. Joey Vitaliar to Don Reyes. Don Reyes back to Jet. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Almost a steal. Pick up by Choi. Choi. Nice pass. Oh, it's a miss. It's a foul. What a shot. First personal foul, Edgar. 2-team foul, blue team. Kaya nag-skip lang yung postan na nanonood na kanila. Glenn Castrones. Glenn Castrones. Oh, it's a blocking foul. Block. Moving foul. Second personal foul. Jomar Casologo. 3-team foul. Blue team. Nice free move for Ditalaga. Nice pass! Oy! Unsa naman natin, Soy! Wow! 2-in-1 situation. Hey! Nagana nagsipya. Labaw o pito. Naku, pagkag oras. 6 minutos pa. Why discourage? Eugene, oy! Good, may tawag. Glenn, wow! What a move for Glenn Castrones. Warning foul. Third personal foul, Jomar Casologo. Warning for penalty. Blue team. Warning. Warning for penalty. Third personal foul for Jomar Casologo. Yay. It's 5 minutes, 57 seconds remaining. Layo pa sa oras. Two good free throws for Glenn Castrones. Back to 5-point lead for Blue team. Choi Abilia. Back to Jeff. Jeff drive. What a move for Jeff. Stanley. Back to Glenn. Thinking three. Drive. Spin. What a move. What a pass. Johnny on the rainbow. Three. Nice break. What a walk-in. Oh. Wow. Nice play for White Team. Labaw na lagupat. Back to 4-point lead. Jet. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Oy, it's a turnover. Pasok Ditalaga. It's a foul. Penalty. Ayay, penalty. Second personal foul. Choi Vitaliar. Penalty.
Guapo.
5 minutes, 6 seconds. Oh, back to ayay, si Piat. Free throw for Giovanni Vitalaga. Back to 3-point lead for in favor of blue team. Jeff, pass to Choi, back to Jeff. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Choi, 23, drive, Euro set. What a move for Choi Pitalyar. We all want mga move. Pagawa sa nila ng mga skill. Glenn, sidestep. It's a miss. Layo pa oras, 4 minutos pa. Choi again on the middle to Jeff. Back to Choi. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Choi from the parking. No good. Rebound by Dan Reyes. Back to Jeff. 40 seconds. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Dan. Nope. Glenn Castrones on the rebound. Ayay. Glenn Castrones. Whoa! What a move! Body contact, fade away shot. Igoy, pang all-star kayo. Oh, almost steal, body steal. Francis, wow, Euro. Oy! Mura, unsa nga no, mani? Duda tayo Francis na. Wow! What a pick-up for Eugene. Glenn Castrones. Glenn Castrones on the... What a Japan! Time out! Unsa man ni ay? Ali pasa. Oh, back to 1-point lead. Pwede pa ni. Napay blue team. Blue. Napay 500 blue. Kuha nga ni Dutos, duway. O, igumans duwa, ayaw panglakaw ha, napay cater. Ito yung gan. Na dito sa ilang wawa na pick. Ang naikikip sa ito yung gan. Luma. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Choi Pitalyar, second the play. Look at the teammates. 10 seconds on the shot clock. John Martin, 3, drive. On the seat, a steal for Adley. Oy, Palabaw. Back to Albany. Mawati. Magpunang daghan, magpahalan sa white. Nagpahalan sa white. 20 seconds to shoot. Jet. Check by Glenn Castrones. Team for Adong. Jet. It's a miss. Adong the rebound. Pass to Dan Reyes. It's a turnover again. Turnover. Francis fake up to Glenn Castrones. Glenn Castrones. Oy, it's a trouble. Trouble. Shuffle. Ni shuffle ang PL. Trouble to trouble. Kita ang repair. Dan Reyes on the rainbow. It's a miss. Rebound by Giovanni. Pass to Eugene. Wow! From Edmonton, Eugene to pasa. Labang to low. Jam on the rainbow. Labang. Ayay. 15 seconds to get down the service. Pass to Francis taking 2. Wow, what a move for Francis. It's a foul. It's a foul. Time out. Is a foul. Ayay. Warning for foul out. Jomar Tesologo. Oh, napay white. Napay white. Abig na baw naman. 2 free throws for Lee Francis Pabanal. Di, orang di home ball sa nila. Last free throw for Lee Francis. Crucial free throw. 2 in a row for Lee Francis. Back to 5-point lead for white team. Bola, basa kayo. Tapoy sa. Tapoy, bola. Ada, nagtitik na po. Last 2 minutes. Don Reyes. It's the next rebound. Wow, nice rebound for Glenn Casares. Oh, wow, yay! Nice play for the white team. What a play for the white team. Oh, nice comeback. It's a delay in the game. Warning, delay in the game, white team. Warning, delay in the game, white team. 1 minute 48 seconds. Nice comeback for the white team. Pero wala pa rin nahulot ang oras. Napaning, may tambo ng gawin. Oh, it's a foul. Third personal foul, Stanley Hapin. 2 free throws for Choi Pitalier. Warning for penalty. 2 timeout. 2 timeout for blue. 1 timeout for blue team. 1 timeout. Blue team. Kaduha naman timeout. Kaduha naman timeout. Nagamit. Duha timeout white. Stanley on the parking. Penalty na. Both teams on penalty. Both teams on penalty. Oh, what a foul? What a foul? What a foul? Sorry. Kabalina. It's a foul. It's a foul. First personal foul, Glenn Casares. Penalty. Both teams on penalty. 2 free throws. Ay, ganihan puti yun siya. Nice free throw for Mikey Quijano. Last free throw, Mikey. 1 minute, 29 seconds remaining. Nakaas pa kining oras. Nakaas pa kayo. 2 good free throws for Mikey Quijano. Ay, almost a score over. Ay, it's a steal. It's a steal for Choi. Oh, almost a number. Wow, the team saw it. Wow, what a defense. It's the Choi connection. 1 minute, 9 seconds. Don Reyes! Wow, nice layup. Nindota pictura natin. Wala nang kita picture, no? Unom na labaw, unom. Nice pass. 2 points for Francis Lee. Nice comeback for Francis Lee. Almost a steal, but there's a foul. Oh, extend ko na lang 5 minutes. Baligya ang 5 minutes. Ang 5 minutes, 5 mil. Two free throws for Jeff Dapoyan. What a comeback for the white team. Igaguluha ay. Kota sa ulo. Wow, si Sayon na! Wala na sa puta. Ganyan, isapot. Nice play. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Lee Francis. Nice 2 points for Lee Francis. 3! Choi Pitalior. Gamay raglabaw. 5 rami. Pito na. $15 seconds. Nice game. Okay, Lamano. Nice game. Handshake. Congratulations. Oh, picture sa tatanan. Picture. Tunga. Ay, saan lakaw. Picture.